Okay, imagine this. It's Tuesday. You've got 3 calls back to back. One tech is stuck in traffic on the other side of town. The customer texts, "Where are you?" and cancels. That single ripple costs you time, reputation, and revenue. Today, we're unpacking how small service businesses can stop that from happening, fast, without an army of engineers. Let's make it irresistible.
Painfully familiar. The good news, you don't need perfect sensors to fix most of that. Start with 5 consistent signals: job history with timestamps, lat long, technician skill tags, inventory flags, and a heartbeat from the field device. Those inputs unlock smarter scheduling and simple failure alerts.
Hold up. Heartbeat sounds pricey to small shops. What's the absolute minimum someone should capture today without breaking the bank?
If budget is tight, make it binary. Device reporting or not, once an hour. Pair that with accurate job start and end timestamps and a short skill tag for the tech. Even that gives you ETA confidence and shows recurring part shortages.
And we don't need telemetry streaming like it's mission control. A driver app or a low-cost IoT gateway can push ISO timestamped events, lat long, job ID, tech ID, and inventory changes. Webhooks into a small queue make it actionable. No giant data lake required. Deploying now beats planning forever.
Good. So real small steps. But Nova, I want to press on privacy and storage. Shops worry about keeping customer data safe and paying to store everything.
Absolutely. Rule 1. Decide what is ephemeral versus what you keep. Store derived events, like delay occurred or part shortage flagged, longer than raw heartbeats. Use TLS in transit and role-based access for storage. And when you add customer-facing signals into models, include an opt-in during booking and a simple opt-out in messages.
I'll push back slightly. Keep a rolling window of raw data, maybe 7 days, compressed and access controlled. That way, when a pattern shows up, you can replay the exact context. Archive summaries for a year. Compression plus access controls give you investigatability without runaway cost.
That's fair. A hybrid approach. Short-term raw retention for troubleshooting and longer-term summaries for trend analysis. Flagged raw segments get extended retention if tied to warranties or disputes.
Nice. Technical compromise settled. Now let's talk about the customer voice. Give me something I can send that sounds human and actually reduces cancellations. Creativity unlocked. Try this. Hi, Maria. We'll be in your neighborhood Tuesday between 10 and 12. Jordan will call 30 minutes before he arrives. If that window doesn't work, reply and we'll reschedule. Short, warm, and gives a clear action.
Add a text side snippet too. Job 423 AC tune, ETA 10 to 12. Parts, capacitor, confirmed skill, refrigeration. Call customer 30 min prior. Keep text-facing info minimal so crews actually use it.
Quick note. Make those messages auditable. If a customer or dispatcher questions a change, you want to show the exact message and the data that triggered it. Transparency builds trust with your team and customers.
I get so many automations that read like robots, horror stories. Keep it human and always give a human contact. That little line, reply and we'll reschedule, does a lot of heavy lifting for trust.
On routing, integrate an off-the-shelf routing API with your scheduler and use simple cost functions. Travel time, skill match, time on site estimate, priority. A greedy or best first optimizer will beat manual assignment for most shops. Start there, measure, iterate.
And log why assignments were made. If dispatchers complain the AI picked the wrong tech, you can show the scorecard, travel delta, skill match, parts on truck, and have a learning conversation instead of a blame game.
Okay, we need one honest friction moment. Shops often stall trying to automate every exception. Stryker, say more about that mistake and how to avoid it.
Exactly. Don't automate the 1% at first. Automate the 70% common path, keep humans in the loop for the edges, and instrument exceptions. If you try to solve every edge case before pilot, you'll never launch. Deploying now, learn fast, refine.
That goes hand in hand with pilots. Run a 2-week A/B routing test with a few crews. Measure travel time and first-time fix rate, and use those results to expand. Small pilots win buy-in.
Can we do a super brief 30, 60, 90 that listeners can actually follow this week? No fluff, just the essentials.
30 days. Instrument job logs. Send automated arrival messages. Run a 2-week routing A/B with a small set of crews. 60 days. Roll routing to more teams. Surface simple failure risk flags to supervisors. 90 days. Automate routine reschedules and train the full crew. Keep each phase small and measurable.
And add governance checkpoints at each phase, retention policy review, access audits, and a dispatcher feedback loop. Small governance prevents big headaches later.
Before we close, 2 quick real-world snapshots. Solo plumber started time-stamping jobs and sent arrival messages. 2 weeks later, no-shows dropped 30%, and he fit cancellations into new slots, about $600 extra a month. 30-person HVAC shop added minimal telematics and a routing API. Travel time dropped 18%, and first-time fix rose. Customers noticed.
Those results are typical when you instrument one reliable metric first. For a solo tech, it might be no-show rate. For larger shops, travel time. Pick one metric, move on it, then expand.
Pattern detected. Consistent signals lead to predictable improvements. Start small, keep it auditable, and don't hoard raw data unnecessarily.
3 things you can do tomorrow. 1. Pick and start logging one metric, no-show rate or average travel time. 2. Automate one customer message, an arrival window plus a 30-minute pre-call. 3. Run a 2-week routing test with a small crew and compare travel time and first-time fix. That's viral energy, bite-sized and measurable. For templates, KPI sheets, and a step-by-step 30, 60, 90 playbook, visit apexblue.com/fieldserviceai. We've built the exact messages and starter payloads you need.
Keep things minimal and auditable. Consistency, not perfection, is the engine of improvement.
And architect for observability from day one. Logs, metrics, dashboards. If you can't answer whether a change helped, you can't iterate effectively. Deploying now beats endless planning.
That wraps up today's episode of Navigating AI with Apex Blue. Your AI C-suite thanks you for joining. Pick one thing to test this week and let us know how it goes. Visit apexblue.com/fieldserviceai for templates and checklists. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay ahead.